Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a product review on Bounce Curl. I found out about this product through Instagram because it was like, it's pretty much currently the rave, or I feel like it's like everywhere on Instagram. If you're a part of the curl community, you see Bounce Curl all the time. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I just wanted to like come on here and tell you guys about the products because I just recently used it yesterday. And I wanted to tell you guys about it because it was actually that good that I decided to go ahead and record today. And this is how my hair is. This is day 2 curls with the Bounce Curl. And I only used Bounce Curl. None of my Shea Moisture leave-in that I always use. I didn't use that. I just went straight to the wrong product. Oh, straight to the light gel. But these are the products right here. You guys can see that? Before we start this product review, I want to show you guys me using the Bounce Curl product. So yeah, let's go ahead and watch that right now. I'm starting off with the moisturizing shampoo. And so the first time I used this, I didn't get that much suds. So I had to rinse it out and then follow it up the second time, which caused me to have more suds. So just depends on how much suds you want in your shampooing. I guess that's how you call it. But it just depends on you. Yeah, the more shampoo and water that you add to your hair, the more suds you're going to make. So that's what happened with me. I'm also using my scalp massager from Vanity Planet to help stimulate hair growth and all the good benefits that comes with using this scalp massager. Now for the conditioner, which is extra creamy, and that's what I like about this conditioner. And don't mind me, I'm just smelling it just to figure out what kind of scent it is. So I pretty much focus the conditioner on the ends of my hair, and I don't put it on the top because I feel like it weighs down the top of my hair when it comes to drying. So I just focus on the body of my hair. And I just love how the conditioner feels in my hair, and I already detangled my hair. So I hopped out the shower and now I'm applying the light cream gel, which I really like because it smells so good and I love how it feels, as you can see. So I'm just applying this everywhere on my hair, and I'm doing the scrunch technique that it says to do in the back of the bottle. The more product you put, the more of the scrunchy feel type of curls you're going to get. So the less you put, the more soft it's going to be. So yeah, just depending on how much you put in your hair. I mostly focused on my ends. And then I went ahead and flipped my hair over and did the whole scrunching technique. So yeah, you just scrunch, and yeah, that's how I applied the Bounce Curl products into my hair. As you guys can see, I was using the products and how I scrunched my hair and things like that. I had to diffuse my hair. It's not in the video, but I had to diffuse my hair because I was going to bed and my hair was still wet inside, so I had to dry it, and that's how my hair turned out, really like puffy like this. Pull up actually Bounce Curl's website right now. to show you guys how much Bounce Curls retail for on their website, just so you guys get an idea of how pretty much how much each product is and how I went about buying my Bounce Curl. So they have like a don't know which products to buy and a hair quiz, which is what I took because I wasn't really sure what products was meant for me, but I ended up picking, I guess, getting medium. Oh yeah, so I got medium fullness, so that's what my thing was. So it has like, is your hair thick or coarse, is your hair normal, medium, fullness, is your hair thin, fine, or limp. Mine was medium fullness, so that's what I chose, and then it matched me with like if you know your hair type, which is like 2A 2C, 3A 3C, 4A 4C. Mine was more of like a 3A 3C, so I went for medium. And the medium, so if you click medium or spirally curly 3A 3C, it'll show you the product. So the shampoo and the conditioner is $19.99 each, and I got the medium moisture curl shampoo kit, which is what they will give you, that option right here, which is this, and I got it for $50.99, and it says it's on sale, so you save $20. So that's what I did. The shampoo right here, the conditioner, and then it has the light cream gel right here. I'm going to talk about this shampoo first.
Look at me. How about my shampoo?
So the shampoo I want to talk about, it smells really, really nice. It smells like a citrusy type of smell to it. What I like about the shampoo is that it's vegan and it has no harsh chemicals and it's plant derived. So it's a hydrating, gentle cleanse, and it says it's a controllable foam. It protects, reduces frizz, rejuvenates, purifies, smoothens, and nourishes. And it has it with provitamin B5, safflower oil, biotin, quinoa, nettle, lavender oil, olive oil, green tea, guava seed, I don't know if I said that right, and more. So what it says is controllable foam. Now, if you don't like your shampoos to have that much foam, it gives you the choice of whether you want more foam or less foam. I like more foam. So when I put it in my hair the first time, of course you have to wet your hair, but when I put it in the first time, you don't get much of a suds, or you don't get foam. But as soon as you rinse that off and then you do a second time around, you definitely get the foam that you want, and I got what I wanted. And like, I only put shampoo on my scalp because if I were to shampoo my whole head, it would waste my dang shampoo, and this shampoo bottle isn't that big. I feel like this is the best shampoo I've tried aside from Diva Curl. These two probably rank the same, but I would have to say this is the best because it smells good. You have natural ingredients and you get enough suds. Sometimes the shampoos don't give enough suds, or sometimes the shampoos, of course, have bad ingredients in there and you don't want that. So this is sulfate and silicone free. I like that it has all the natural ingredients. And what I do like about this shampoo is that once I use the shampoo, it makes my hair feel silky. Like, it doesn't make my hair feel like I can't manage it. It's manageable. It actually helps my hair in preparation for the conditioner and detangling my hair with a comb while I'm in the shower. So I really like, that's the plus about this. So I can't even think about the cons to this. The consistency is silky. Yeah, it's silky, and I really like the smell. It smells really good, so I would rate this a 10, to be honest, guys, because this is actually a really legitly good shampoo. On with the conditioner, I like this. It's super smooth. It says, it is what it says. Super smooth, detangles, prevents breakage, shines, protects and nourishes, and everything like that. 100% black seed oil. So both of these are 100% black seed oil, and this also has natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals. And what I like about this is it's thick when you put it on, and it smells good. It's not as fragrancy as this one, but you can tolerate it. Like, I really like the smell. It's not unbearable. I focus this on the ends of my hair, like on the bottom of my hair rather than the top of my hair, but this actually nourishes your hair. It does what it says. I finger comb my hair after I put the conditioner in, and yeah, it just really detangles my hair. I would also have to give this a 10 because I'm really picky about my shampoo and conditioner products, but these two together is really, really, really worth the money, and it's not that expensive. I feel like are worth buying, especially if you want to have good quality products in your hair. This is like your go-to products. So moving on with the light cream gel, it has aloe vera and Nigeria sativa, I don't know if I'm saying that right, to enhance natural curls and promote healthy hair. And it has free of parabens, sulfates, and silicones. And that's what I like about this, because most gels that you use like in your drugstore, it doesn't have like healthy ingredients in there. It's always like something bad in there. You always have one or the other and you just don't want to use it. It smells really, really, really nice. It smells so good. For this condition, it has directions on thin hair, thick hair, how to apply it. You scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. I had to diffuse my hair because my hair was kind of wet inside and I was going to bed and I didn't want to get sick. So I went ahead and diffused my hair, and this is how my hair turned out. And I really like the product. Now what I like about this going into the like cream gel is that it does what it says. It's a gel. It's a cream gel. The thing about this is that it scrunches your hair. If you guys can see, it like holds your hair. It holds it just like a gel would do. But the positive about this gel is that it doesn't flake. You don't see no flakage or anything. Like sometimes when you use a gel, you go throughout your day and then once you scratch your head, you see friggin' flakes. Like your gel just starts flaking. You look like you got dandruff, but it's really the gel. So you got to explain to people why your hair looks like that. Sometimes you have to go to the bathroom and wet your hair real quick because everything's like flaky and it's just disgusting. But this gel does not do that, which it lets you have that hold that you want and it defines your curls. But at the same time, you can still have like a soft, like you can have soft curls. You know what I mean? You can still have soft curls. It depends on how much you put. Like if I were to part my hair or section my hair and go through each strand with the gel, I will get this. Like it will hold like the hard scrunchy feel that you want for your curls. But I didn't do that and my hair turned out soft like this. But you still see the hold on the curls, which is what I like about this product. You don't have like bushy and then like it's just crazy. This actually has defined curls. Like you can actually see my curls. You know what I mean? You can see my waves or whatever. And I feel like I'm already down here on the on how much I have. I feel like I'm already down here because I use so much, which sucks. I have to buy more. I have to buy more of this product. But I would rate this a 10 too. So all these products smell so good. They're free of everything, parabens, sulfates, and silicones that are really harmful to your hair, and it doesn't have that in these products, which is what I love about it. So, and black seed oil is really good for your hair and for your skin and everything like that. So you don't have any irritants that will irritate your skin unless you're irritated to like natural ingredients. Sometimes people are. Definitely this is a go-to product if you guys are wondering like what products you should use. Bounce Curl, if you're like contemplating, Bounce Curl is definitely worth buying. You should. That pretty much concludes my product review on Bounce Curl. So that pretty much concludes my review on Bounce Curl. It's a 10. I really love it. I can't really say anything bad about the product. Loved it in my hair. Obviously you guys can see the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more product reviews on certain curl products, just leave them in the comments below, the product that you want me to review, and see how it is in my hair. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.